Hi all, this is Swapna Shetty. In this video, we are going to look at how to install Java, how to set environment variables, and how to download Eclipse. So the basic system requirements for installing Java on Windows 7 64-bit platform is a minimum of 2266 MHz processor, and the disk space required is 181 MB and minimum memory required is 128 MB. So we can download Java from the below link, that is www.oracle.com tech network Java and Java SE downloads. So click on this link. When you click on that link, you can find two icons present here. One is in Java JDK 8 download and NetBeans with JDK 8. In this session's Eclipse IDE, so let's download only Java 8. So click on the icon here. So you can see Java SE Development Kit 8 downloads. So accept the license agreement and click on the link where your Windows system configuration follows up. So that here I'm using Windows X 64. So click on this link, which is nothing but a .exe file. So now when you click on this link, your download starts and it will ask you to save a .exe file. So when you click on save file, your download starts, and this would take a minimum of 10 to 15 minutes. So once you download .exe file, then double click on that .exe file and install Java on your system by following the instructions. So in between you will be asked for the path for Java. That is, generally by default Java will be installed in C program files, and it would create a Java folder, and in that inside you can see JDK and JRE installed. Like I've already installed Java 8, so let's see. So in the program files, open my computer, C drive, program files. You can see Java here, and you can see JDK 1.8 and JRE 1.8, where both the folders are created in Java folder. So what is the difference between JDK and JRE? JDK is a superset to JRE, and it contains some tools like compilers, debuggers, and so on. JRE provides libraries, JVM, and other components to run applets and applications. So when you click on JDK 1.0, and you can see bin here, wherein you can see the Java compiler and so on, java.exe, javac.exe, it's a Java compiler and debugger and so on. So in JDK itself, you can also see JRE, wherein you can see the libraries required for developing applets and normal Java applications also. So once you downloaded Java 8, next is we need to check whether Java 8 is correctly installed or not. So for that, open cmd command prompt, and here just say javac. So if you can see some set of options available, that means Java is installed correctly. If Java is not installed correctly, it will show you an error saying Java says not recognized as an internal statement. So if Java says installed correctly, if Java is installed correctly and you are getting the commands like this and options with options, then let's see how do we execute a simple Java program. For example, let me write a program here in core Java programs. Let me write a program called new text document, a program called my class dot Java. Yes, it will ask you if you change a file name extension, the file might become unusable. Yes, I want a .java file, so I would change it. Now open this file, then write a simple Java program to print any line, any string. So import java.lang.star and write a class, my class, public static void main string args system dot out dot println welcome to Java. Tab, close it, and save and then close. Now how do we execute this particular program through command line? Is first we need to go to the path where we are in. So I'm just copying the path and changing the path here. First in his drive. Okay, so path has been set. Now how do we execute this using Java compiler is, since we did not set any environment variable, I need to go to the path of my compiler first. That is in JDK, go to bin and here copy the path along with javac, that is Control C. So here let me say to the end I also add javac, then give my class name, that is my class dot java. Yes, the class is compiled. Now let's run the class. For that use java space my class. And you can see welcome to Java. So the point here is, let us come back to the PPT. So what are environment variables? These are nothing but these are used to pass configuration information to applications. Just now if you look at the program, whenever we want to run any application, we specified the path of the Java compiler always. So to avoid this, we need to set the path variable permanently so that it will persist after rebooting. So how do we set the environment variable is? Let's see for that. So we need to go right click on the my computer and go to properties, advanced system settings, environment. Under advanced tab you can click on environment variables, and under the system variables click on the path and say edit, and at the end you need to set this path. So you need to give the path to the bin directory, that is C program files java jdk bin, and click on OK, and then OK, and then OK. Now when I compile the same program without using javac as the statement, like without using the entire path, just use javac and compile. Yes, it is compiled, and now run java my class. So you can see welcome to Java. So environment variables are basically for setting, for giving configuration information to the applications. So this is how we set the path variable in the system variables. And next is Eclipse IDE. What is IDE? IDE is nothing but it's an integrated development environment. It is nothing but a programming environment that has been packaged as an application program, wherein it contains the editor, a compiler, a debugger, and a GUI. And how to download Eclipse is just follow this link. Click this link. When you click on the link, so here we can see different packages of Eclipse. The latest is Neon, Mars, Luna, and so on. We are using Indigo package. So click on Eclipse IDE, and here based on your system configuration you need to click on the download link. So when you click on the download, you can see a file will be downloaded, that is a zip file. So when you save this file, file will be created to you on a desktop. So let me open that and then show you. So that is nothing but, so here you can see the Eclipse. So open, double click on Eclipse, and you can see eclipse.exe file. So double click on it. So it will show you the version name, that is Indigo. It will ask you for a workspace, that is the path where you need to store your programs. So give the path and click on OK. So an Eclipse IDE will be open. Basically here on the left hand side we can see the package explorer, wherein all your projects will be created, and this is the area where we will be writing our programs. And this here at the bottom you can see the console, that is where we see our output. And basically whenever you wanted to write programs, we need to know in which perspective we are in. For example, if we wanted to develop a simple Java projects, we should open Java perspective. If you wanted to write enterprise edition programs to run servlets, JSPs, and so on, we need to be in W perspective. So this is where we write and run our programs. So this is the basic Java Eclipse. So to write, since we need to write a simple Java project, so we should be in Java perspective. We have different perspectives like debug, JavaScript, and so on. So click on Java perspective, and to start with, so file new Java project, and give the project name as first project, and click on next. and then say finish. So a project will be created to you on the left hand side. So right click on the project and say new class. Now a package, we need to write a package name, that is I am assuming it is com.educators package. Package is nothing but it's a collection of classes. It is always in small letters. And then give the name of the class, that is my class, and with a public static void main. So you can see everything is inbuilt, like public static void main. It is all written. Like when you say finish, you can see a class with public static void main and with the package. So on the left hand side you can see the structure of the project. Like in first project we have got source folder in which a package with your classes. So here I would just print a message like welcome to Java. For that I'm using system.out.println. System.out.println. So after writing a program, the program will be automatically saved, or you can press Ctrl S for saving. And then for programs are always compiled, we need not compile, and we can just say run as Java application. So in the console you can see the output as welcome to Java. So this is how we use Eclipse IDE. So that's all with the session. Thank you.